Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sync your Jio remote with your television remote. Start by making sure your Jio remote has fresh batteries, as this ensures a smooth syncing process. Next, place your Jio remote and your television remote facing each other, with their infrared sensors aligned. They should be quite close, about 2 to 3 centimeters apart. Also, confirm that both your television and Jio set-top box are powered on and ready to go. To begin the syncing process, press and hold the Set button on your Jio remote. Keep holding it for approximately 3 seconds. You'll notice the LED indicator light on the Jio remote will start to blink slowly. Once the LED light remains continuously lit without blinking, you can release the Set button. This indicates that your Jio remote is now in learning mode. Now, let's program the buttons. First, press the specific button on your Jio remote that you want to assign a television function to, for example, the power button. Immediately after, press the corresponding button on your television remote. The LED on your Jio remote will blink 3 times, confirming that the button has been successfully programmed. Repeat this step for all the television functions you wish to transfer. Once you have programmed all the desired buttons, press the Set button on your Jio remote one more time. This action will take the remote out of learning mode, and the LED indicator light will turn off, confirming the process is complete. Now, it's time to test your work. Try using the newly programmed buttons on your Jio remote to control your television's functions, such as power, volume, or input.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.